I'm super excited for this video. I'm just about to make my raw vegan dinner, so I thought I'd turn on the camera and show you guys what it is. It's one of my favorites of all time. Anybody that tries this dish, they absolutely love it, whether they're raw vegan or not. And this is a raw vegan pasta. I know traditional pastas can make you feel heavy, weighed down, tired, lethargic, brain fog. That is not how we're supposed to feel. So this is fully raw, spiralized with zucchini, and the sauce is absolutely out of this world. It's made with very few ingredients. So we're gonna use 2 zucchinis in this recipe, and I'm gonna peel them, but you do not have to peel your zucchinis. Sometimes I don't peel them. So let me just get these peeled. And while I'm peeling them, I wanna let you guys know something huge is happening right now. I actually wrote a new ebook, and it's how to go raw. So it's great for beginners or for people who wanna do raw like permanently. And it just has so much great information in it, different ways to transition. It has my top 10 favorite recipes of all time. And it just has so many tips, how to fight cravings. You guys, I've been through so much this year. Both my parents died. I'm going through a legal battle with one of their exes that would just blow your mind. And I wish I could share with you guys everything that's happened. But you guys, it doesn't matter. There's always gonna be something bad happening. And you just have to really focus on the good. And the way I've done that is I make sure I work out every morning now. I meditate, and I'm just feeling incredible, and I'm eating only real food. I gave up caffeine for a while there after my parents passed. I was heavily addicted to so much matcha and cacao every day, trying to just numb myself from the loss of my parents. And I feel so much better now that I got off it, now that I prioritize going to sleep at 10 o'clock every night. I work out right when I wake up. And just working out when you wake up, it just sets your day right. If you get a heavy, really good 30 to 60 minute workout, it just changes your mood, it changes your vibe, and you just, no matter what comes at you, you're just feeling good. So I just highly recommend it, you guys. So anyway, what I was saying too, I came out with that book, and it's in the plant-based bundle now. So that is only on for a short time only, depending when I post this video. Today might be the last day of it. So yeah, it's a plant-based bundle, and all of us plant-based creators come together to offer our ebooks, courses, and guides for $50 only. So the value for this particular bundle is over $3,000, and it's not a joke. It's not some sort of scam because it sounds crazy. You get all these ebooks, courses, and guides. You get all mine, all my dressings, sauces, and dips, the new ebook, my raw vegan course, everything, plus everybody else's ebooks, courses, and guides, plant-based creators, vegan, raw vegan, all your favorite top creators put all their books in for $50. So once it's gone, it's gone. Like last time you guys were like, oh my God, I can't get it, it's finished, and they don't let you get it once it's gone. So, and sometimes the website crashes. So go now, use my link, support me. It'll help me with all these legal battles, and that would be amazing. And my link is down below. So yeah, that would be great. You guys will love it. Everybody loves it. So we're gonna spiralize these into a mixing bowl, and we're gonna use my OXO spiralizer. You can see it's falling apart because I've used it so much. I think this was like $7. I'll try to link it below. It's in my Amazon store, but this is just my favorite tool ever. And it's so cheap, and it just, zucchini noodles make me feel great. So we're gonna spiralize these up into a mixing bowl. And I love these raw dishes because they just take no time at all, you guys. It's like, it's so much faster than cooking. So we have our spiralized zucchini. Look at that. It takes no time at all. A delicious pasta when you pair it with the right sauce. And again, you feel energized after. And one big thing I want to talk to you guys about. I was in LA recently interviewing Lou Corona, one of my mentors, 74 years young. You guys hear me talk about him all the time. And he's just thriving. But one thing Lou taught me in LA, look at this, okay? He uses only ceramic knives. And I was like, Lou, like, what's up? Why are you using these knives? And I guess because you know how regular knives oxidize food, I guess he was saying, when you cut them, just like how if you cut an apple and it browns, he says it's oxidizing your other food too when you cut it. So I've transitioned to ceramic knives. Freaking, you guys, the best thing I ever did in the kitchen, like 10 out of 10. The way they cut is incredible. So I'm just gonna cut the corn off of this cob. And it's amazing. Like, I love it. So I would do your research, consider getting some ceramic knives because I just can't recommend them enough. I'm like so hooked. I love the way they cut. I love the quality. So we're gonna use about a cup of corn. So usually I just do 2. I just take the raw corn. Raw corn is delicious. It's actually how we're supposed to eat it. It tastes so good, you guys. I put it in my salads most nights too. So we're gonna put about a cup. This might be a little bit more, but we're gonna put a cup of corn, or just do 2. I like things easy, just do 2. This is a cup of cashews that were soaked. So usually I soak my cashews for about 4 hours. So it just helps you digest them better. It's just better to do that. We're gonna do the juice of a lemon. So I've been eating this recipe for years, and it's, I think, the best. Like, my mom tried it when she was still with us. and she loved it. I wish my mom could have like stayed on all raw and like whatever. I won't go there. Sorry guys. I don't mean to keep going on about it. I just miss them. And we're gonna do a clove of garlic in this as well. But this clove is pretty big, so I'm just gonna do like a half a clove because I don't like too much garlic. I'm a little sensitive to garlic, you guys. They say onion and garlic can make us feel a little bit more angry and sassy, and I notice that it does with me too, but I still do in some recipes. And there's a lot of Buddhists and stuff that don't consume those things because they say it affects how they're connected to their higher self. So consider taking it out, see if you notice a difference. We're gonna do some nutritional yeast. I would say do about a tablespoon, and that's optional. And we're gonna do some sea salt and pepper as well. We put the pepper. All right, and we're just gonna add a little bit of water to blend. And this recipe, I think I told you in all my recipes, I have so many, are in that plant-based bundle. And everybody else's too, like all the best creators, make sure you guys get that. So I'll put that down below. And I can't wait to show this. A tip for when you're making pasta sauces in your blender to make them taste delicious and this whole dish as a whole. When I am making zucchini noodle pasta, I take the zucchini out in the morning and I let it sit at room temperature on my counter all day. That way it's not like a cold pasta because I don't like cold pasta. It's just not my thing. I like it to kind of resemble the pastas I used to consume, but in a better way. So that's a tip. Take that out in the morning, let it sit on your counter to get more room temperature. And then when you blend your sauce, put it on high for, I do 3 minutes on high. And then it warms it up and it's like warmed up without cooking it, because technically raw is eating anything under 118 degrees, and that's just how I feel my best. So you guys got to do what works for you. But even if you're not raw, just adding in these dishes here and there, like everybody loves these dishes and they just give you more life here and there, right? Okay guys, you can even see the steam. Look at that. You have a nice warmed up raw food dish. Oh my gosh, the flavor. I wish you guys could smell through the screen. It's insane. And we're gonna pour our sauce on. Isn't that amazing? You guys, it's so good. Raw food is so fun. There's so many different ways to eat raw food too. So my hands are clean. I'm just gonna blend it, just gonna massage this in. It's good to have like that connection with your food, they say too. And I just love how there's so many different ways to eat raw, whether you wanna eat really simple or whether you wanna do some blended stuff or gourmet or like cleanses or different ways. I just think it's great. There's so many people that do so many different things, because that resonates with different people, and there's just lots of different ways to do it. So I'm just gonna put a little lemon at the side for garnish, and I'm also gonna squeeze on a little bit more lemon. I'm gonna add some parsley, because I personally like a little bit of herbs on there too. So you could do cilantro, or you could just do no herbs. You don't have to do any herbs on there also. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of extra salt and a little bit of extra pepper. Okay, we're gonna taste test. One of my favorite dishes. I haven't had it in a long time, and it's such a banger, you guys. So good. Literally a 10 out of 10. So much flavor. Oh my gosh, you guys have to try this. Okay, I hope you guys try this recipe. If you do, come back. Let me know how you like it. Let us know in the comments down below your favorite recipe. We can share lots of good ones down below. And go get that plant-based bundle. It ends, I think, depending when this video goes up, it might end today or in hours only. So once it's gone, it's gone. And it's so many ebooks, courses, and guides based around plant-based, raw, and vegan. It's everything for the whole family, from recipes to tips to stay on track to fitness and just everything to help you fight the cravings and so much more to live a healthier life. So go get it down below. And I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.